Are you ready to transform your garden and enjoy fresh veggies in record time? Imagine stepping into your backyard and harvesting delicious greens, all within just 4 weeks. In today's video, we'll explore 5 fast-growing vegetables that even beginners can cultivate effortlessly. Grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Number 1. Radishes. Let's kick things off with one of the fastest-growing vegetables, radishes. These colorful root vegetables can be ready to harvest in as little as 25 days. Radishes thrive in cool weather, making them perfect for spring or fall planting. You can sow the seeds directly into the soil, about ½ inch deep, and ensure they're spaced a few inches apart. Radishes prefer well-drained soil and benefit from regular watering, especially during dry spells. As they grow, monitor their progress. You'll see them start to push through the soil surface. Harvesting is simple. Just gently pull them from the ground. The taste varies depending on the variety, ranging from sweet to spicy. If you're new to gardening, radishes are a fantastic way to get your hands dirty and see quick results. One common issue with radishes is bolting, where the plants flower prematurely due to heat. To avoid this, plant them in cooler seasons and provide shade during hot days. Additionally, ensure you space them adequately to prevent overcrowding, which can lead to poor growth. Number 2. Lettuce. Next up is lettuce, a versatile and refreshing addition to any meal. You can enjoy baby greens in just 30 days. Lettuce thrives in cooler temperatures, so spring and fall are ideal planting times. You can sow seeds directly into the soil or start them indoors and transplant them later. Choose a location with partial shade to keep them crisp and tender. Water them regularly to maintain soil moisture, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. When your lettuce reaches about 4 to 6 inches tall, it's time to start harvesting. Simply cut the outer leaves, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. This method not only gives you a continuous harvest, but also prolongs the life of your plants. Lettuce can sometimes suffer from pests like aphids or slugs. Keep an eye out for these intruders, and consider using organic pest control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or using diatomaceous earth. Also, be mindful of watering. Inconsistent moisture can lead to bitter-tasting leaves. Number 3. Spinach. Now, let's dive deeper into spinach, one of the most versatile and nutrient-packed leafy greens you can grow in your garden. This remarkable vegetable is celebrated for its rich content of vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like iron and calcium, making it a powerhouse for your health. The great news is that you can enjoy fresh spinach in about 30 days. Spinach thrives in cool weather, which is why it's best to plant it in early spring or late summer. When preparing your garden bed, choose a spot that receives partial to full sunlight, as this helps the plants grow robustly. For planting, you'll want to sow seeds directly into the soil, spacing them about 1 inch apart. The seeds typically germinate quickly, within 5 to 10 days, so you won't have to wait long to see those little green sprouts emerging. To ensure your spinach grows to its full potential, it's essential to provide the right soil conditions. Spinach loves rich, well-draining soil, so mixing in some compost or well-rotted manure can significantly enhance its growth. This organic matter not only improves soil fertility, but also helps retain moisture, which is critical for young plants. Regular watering is equally important, especially during dry spells. Spinach has shallow roots, so keeping the soil consistently moist will promote healthy leaf development. As your spinach matures, you can start harvesting the leaves when they reach about 3 to 4 inches long. The beauty of spinach is that you can utilize a method called cut and come again. This means you can pinch off the outer leaves while allowing the inner ones to continue growing, giving you a steady supply of fresh greens over several weeks. Now, while spinach is relatively easy to grow, there are a few common challenges to be aware of. One of the most significant issues you might encounter is downy mildew, particularly in humid conditions. This fungal disease can cause the leaves to develop a grayish mold and ultimately affect your yield. To combat this, it's crucial to ensure good air circulation around your plants. You can achieve this by spacing them appropriately and avoiding overcrowding. Another important factor to consider is temperature. Spinach is sensitive to heat and can bolt or go to seed if the weather gets too warm. This typically happens when temperatures consistently exceed 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To prevent bolting, keep an eye on the forecast and plan your harvest accordingly. If you notice your spinach starting to flower, it's best to harvest the remaining leaves immediately, as their flavor will start to diminish. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh spinach in just 30 days, adding a burst of flavor and health to your meals. Number 4. Green onions. Up next, we have green onions, also known as scallions, which are incredibly easy to grow and can be ready in just 20 to 30 days. You can start them from seeds or even regrow store-bought green onions by placing the roots in a glass of water. They thrive in well-drained soil and prefer full sun, although they can tolerate some shade. To plant, space the seeds a couple of inches apart in rows. Water them regularly, and you'll notice the green tops sprouting quickly. Harvesting is simple. Just snip the green tops when they reach about 6 inches tall. The best part? They continue to grow back after cutting, giving you a continuous supply. One issue to watch for is yellowing leaves, which can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Ensure your soil is well drained and consider adding a balanced fertilizer if the growth seems slow. Green onions can also attract pests like thrips, so keep the area clean and monitor your plants regularly. Number 5. Bok Choy. Finally, let's explore bok choy, a delicious and nutritious member of the cabbage family. This leafy vegetable can be harvested in about 30 days. Bok choy prefers cooler weather, making it suitable for spring and fall planting. You can start seeds directly in the ground, spacing them about 6 inches apart. Ensure the soil is rich and well drained, and keep the plants well watered. As they grow, you'll see their vibrant green leaves and white stems forming. You can harvest bok choy either by cutting the entire plant at the base or by picking the outer leaves as they mature. This allows for multiple harvests from the same plant. Bok choy can be prone to pests like cabbage worms and aphids. To manage this, consider using row covers or organic pest control methods. Additionally, watch for signs of bolting, particularly in warmer weather. Keeping the plants well watered and harvesting promptly will help prevent this issue. And there you have it. 5 fast-growing vegetables that you can easily cultivate and harvest in under a month. Gardening is not only rewarding, but also a fantastic way to enjoy fresh produce right from your home. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these veggies are perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening insights. Let us know in the comments which vegetable you're excited to grow. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.